Hi, Dan from Cloudsmith here. In this video, we'll take a look at the Cloudsmith GitHub action and how you can use it to integrate Cloudsmith repositories with your own GitHub build and deployment processes. I have a very simple demo project here that just prints a message. Now let's have a look at the workflow for the GitHub action in this project. It's called build deb and push to Cloudsmith. It runs on a push to the master branch, and it has two jobs, a build job and a publish job. I won't spend much time on the build job, as you probably have your own processes for building your packages. So let's look at the publish job, where we use our Cloudsmith GitHub action. The publish job first waits for the build job to complete, and the first step in the publish job is to get the deb package that was built in the build job. The second step in the publish job uses the Cloudsmith GitHub action, with the Cloudsmith API key as a secret in the GitHub repository. Let's see how we add that as a secret. You just need to go to the settings for your GitHub repository, then select secrets, and you can see I've already added my Cloudsmith API key. But you can add a new secret just by clicking the new secret button. If we look at the rest of the publish job, we can see the command is push, the format is deb, the owner or namespace is demo, our Cloudsmith repository is examples repo, our distribution is Debian, our release is Buster, and we can set republish to true as we will not be changing the version number of this package. And finally, we add the file name of the Debian package that was created in the build job. Now let's just update the message that this project prints before committing and pushing this project to our GitHub repository. So we will just quickly commit these changes and push this commit to our GitHub repository. That's it pushed to the master branch. If we go to our repository and check the Actions tab, we can see the action associated with our commit is running. The first job to run is the build job. And I'm just going to speed the video up a little here so that we don't have to wait too long on the build job completing. That's the build job complete, and now our publish job starts. Again, I'll speed this up slightly as it takes around a minute to run. The first thing it does is set up the job, and then it starts to build the Cloudsmith GitHub action. Then it gets the Debian package from the build job and starts to push it to our Cloudsmith repository. That's the package now uploading to Cloudsmith, and it is now synchronized successfully. Our publish job is now complete. We can now go and take a look at our Cloudsmith examples repository, and we can see the Cloudsmith action test Debian package that we built and pushed. I hope that this short video showed you how easy it is to use the Cloudsmith GitHub action to integrate Cloudsmith repositories with your GitHub build and deployment processes. If you'd like to try it out yourself or see more, just head on over to cloudsmith.com and sign up from there. And remember, be awesome and automate everything.